In today's session, we will learn about investigating parent-child relationships in Creo Parametric. So this is the parent-child relationship. So we will first learn the theory. You can use various types of Creo features as building blocks in the progressive creation of SolidWorks. Certain features by necessity precede the other more dependent feature in design process. This is known as parent-child relationship. The parent-child relationship is one of the most powerful aspects of Creo and parametric modeling in general. This relationship plays an important role in propagating changes across the model to maintain the design intent. After a parent feature in a part is changed, all the children are dynamically altered to reflect the changes in parent feature. You see this? The weaving model, feature and component. So when we create a part in the Creo, if we create a part here, okay, I will open a part. So you can see this is the part, and in this extrude, so this is the extrude, and this base sketch of this extrude is this. Okay, so when I delete this extrude part, okay, so if I delete this, so what it say, the selected items and their childrens are highlighted. Select one handling method for all the childrens or click edit details to separate method for each child. So when I delete this extrude part, the childrens, which are these, the extrude 2, extrude 3, the sketch 3, so these are all the children of this extrude, because all these have a base as this extrude 1. So if I delete this extrude 1, all the children will be deleted. So I will say cancel. Just click on it, right click, and go to information, feature information. When we go to the feature information, you can see this. Right click on it, go to information and feature information. Okay. So in the feature information, you can see this. This is the feature information. Go to information, model information. So in the reference viewer, you go to the right click here, information, then reference viewer. You can see this here. This is the part 1. Okay, so the base of this part 1 is this sketch 1. Okay, then extrude 1 in part 1. So this is the parent here. Okay, this is the parent, this part 1. Okay, and this is the sketch base of this part 1. Then current object is this extrude 1. Okay, then these are the childrens of this extrude of part 1. Okay, so these are the childrens, extrude 1, sketch 2. You can see this by this feature tree. Okay, so this is the tree. You see this. If we delete this extrude 1, all these children will be deleted. So this is how you can see the parent-child relationship in Creo. Okay, if I create a sketch on this plane, if I sketch on this plane, I will sketch a rectangle. Okay, then extrude it, just click OK. And if I create a sketch on this surface, so the base of this surface will be this extrude. So this sketch will be the child of this extrude 1. See this, if I create a circle here, click OK. If I extrude this, change the direction and remove metal. Okay, so this is the extrude cut. So here, okay, this is the extrude and this. So if I delete this object, okay, so what happens? The children's, the sketch 6 and extrude 7, this will be deleted. Why? Because these are the children of this extrude 6. Go to information and reference viewer and see this here. The extrude 7 and a sketch 6 are the children of this extrude 6 part A. Okay. If you suppress or delete a parent feature, Creo prompts you for an action pertaining to the related children. We have to minimize the cases of unnecessary or unintended parent-child relationships. So we'll see viewing model features and component information. Okay, you can go to tools model, and then if you are in assembly, you can go to the model info in the dialog box opens. Okay, select the model, top level assembly sub part of. Okay, this is how you can viewing model features and component information. So reordering features in assembly, we are going to reorder or drag any part or sub assembly to you. Uh, Then if we keep cursor on assembly for some time, then it goes inside the sub assembly. Want to know? Okay. We want to reorder, restructure the highlighted component, but if we drag part to the, then once cursor goes to sub assembly, it expands ASM and dropped in that. Okay, so instead of this, we want to reorder part easily, like reorder feature, which is available in the part mode, or any alternate way to keep it only. So you can take the parent child help in Creo, click on right click here, information, and go to reference view. So this is how you can see the parent child tree here. Okay. So okay. So thank you.